The Pennsylvania Department of Transportation has teamed up with the Pennsylvania State Police and Penn State Health this week to encourage drivers to put safety first. It's all part of Pennsylvania's Highway Safety Law Awareness Week.
So the laws we'll be focusing on over the next week include our Pennsylvania's texting while driving ban, the seatbelt laws prohibiting individuals from driving while impaired, laws on speed restrictions, and of course our Pennsylvania's young driver laws. So according to our early estimates from the National Highway Traffic and Safety Administration, in the first 9 months of 2021, traffic fatalities rose an alarming 12% over 2020 rates nationwide. In Pennsylvania, our 2021 preliminary data shows our death on our roadways increased 10% over that same time period. This includes increases in fatalities for speeding crashes, distracted driving crashes, crashes involving 16 or 17-year-olds, as well as unrestrained fatalities. Now, I think we'd all agree one fatality is too many, and increasing numbers of fatalities on our roadways is unacceptable.
For more information on PennDOT's highway safety efforts, you can visit penndot.gov/safety.